my cake friends. I have a new tutorial and this one is about carrot cake. As many of you know, I have a great recipe for a tropical carrot cake. So I decided to turn it into a low carb, low sugar carrot cake. It turned out so delicious that I hope you guys enjoy. So if you have diabetes or you're in a diet, this is a great cake for you. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will post the link for the recipe in the comment box below. I will also add grams to the recipe for those of you who prefer to work in grams. I will start by adding my dry ingredients. I will start by adding 2 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Then you will add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you don't like a lot of cinnamon, add less. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I will add a full cup of swerve sugar. For those of you who don't know, swerve is a replacement of sugar and is made of erythritol. Once you have all these dry ingredients together, you want to mix this really well. In another bowl, you want to add grated carrots. I use 2 cups of grated carrots. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons of your favorite vanilla extract. I also added 1/4 cup of brown sugar. This is swerve brown sugar. And also you will add 1/3 cup of coconut oil or your favorite oil. You will add 4 eggs to this mix. Melt 1 stick of butter and add it to the mix. You want to mix all the wet ingredients together really well, and then you want to add them to the dry ingredients. This is so easy to make that you can mix this manually. Just make sure that your dry ingredients and wet ingredients are fully and completely mixed together. Once you have this mix, if you like walnuts or pecans, you can add them. I roasted them in the oven and then added them. All you need is half a cup of them. I use pecans in mine. Make sure to have your cake pans ready. I have a tutorial on how to have them ready. And you can pour your mix on your pans. I am using 2 6-inch pans and dividing the batter evenly in between both of them. If you prefer, you can add parchment to your pans and just add butter and place your batter in there. I have another tutorial explaining how to add the parchment paper to your pans. Once you have added the mixture to your pans, you are ready to place your cake in the oven. But before you put your pans in the oven, make sure to take a knife and go around the batter to make sure you have no holes in your batter, and then bang your pan on the table until the bubbles come up and you have no air pockets on your cake. Remember, your oven should be already preheated at 350 and you want to place this in the middle of your oven. Once it's baked completely, you want to take it out of the oven and let it cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. And then you want to seal it well with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge overnight so it cools down and the flavors kind of integrate properly to the cake. I added some delicious cream cheese, buttercream, and I will share this recipe next time. It's an easy recipe and it's actually sugar-free too, so it goes great with this cake. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me in Facebook, Instagram, visit my blog, and until next time, ta-ta!